Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making pan-seared garlic and Parmesan asparagus. Guys, before we get started, I'd like to give a shout out to a friend on Facebook for her page. It's Rosewater and Lace Boutique. Her name is Annie. Her and a couple of girls, it's like an auction site. They sell off apparel and other different things. Really nice clothing for you ladies out there. So swing by their page, Rosewater and Lace Boutique. Like it, follow it, check it out guys. Thanks. Alright guys, I'm starting out with a cast iron skillet. And I'm going to put about a quarter of a stick of butter in here, and I have this heating over medium heat. Now this is a non-stick cast iron skillet. I know it's kind of cheating, but it's easier care and clean up than a regular skillet. And if you're interested in this, guys, this is the Jeffrey Zakarian one on QVC. I think it was like $30, which really isn't bad for a 12-inch cast iron skillet. Alright, now that my butter's starting to melt down, and I'm still set on medium heat, guys, because we don't want to scorch our butter. I have some fresh asparagus here. I just cleaned and I trimmed the ends off. We're going to get this down into the skillet. And I'm just going to stir my butter around in here. And I'm going to season this with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And guys, don't mind the rest of my stove here. I have my Easter supper cooking. It's on a little early today because my oldest son Eric was in to work at 4, so I have to have supper done before he goes to work. Now I'm going to allow this to saute or sear here over medium heat until it starts to cook and soften. And I'll turn it around a few times, turn it over. Alright guys, now that I allowed my asparagus to cook here for about 10 minutes, and I went in and turned it over a couple of times, I'm going to add in my garlic. Now I'm using the pre-diced garlic in the jar. You could also use fresh garlic for this. I'm going to put in about 3 healthy teaspoons of garlic. If you were using fresh, I'd use about 4 cloves. Okay, let me give that a quick stir with my tongs. And I turn my heat down to medium-low, guys, because in cast iron you really don't need your heat high because it heats up fast and it holds the heat forever. And guys, if you could smell this, it's smelling really delicious. Okay, we're looking good here, guys. Just want to spread that garlic out evenly in there. Okay, now I'm going to add in my Parmesan cheese, guys. Just want to put a nice coating in on your asparagus. Okay, now I'm going to allow this to fry for a few more minutes on low heat for that cheese to melt and start to toast a little bit and for the garlic flavor to absorb into the asparagus. Alright guys, I allowed this to go for probably 2 or 3 minutes. It didn't take long. This is ready to go. Now since I'm cooking my Easter dinner and I have everything out here on the stove, I'm just going to try this out of the pan. That's really good, guys. The asparagus has a little bit of a crisp to it. It's not soggy or mushy. You can taste that butter coming through the garlic and the Parmesan, of course. Alright, there you have it, guys. Pan-seared garlic and Parmesan asparagus. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.